section of two arrays. Given two integer arrays, nums1 and nums2, return an array of their intersection. Each element in the result must be unique, and you may return the result in any order. So in example 1, we see nums1, which is this, nums2, which is this, only 2. So it makes sense that output is only 2 because we have 2 in both of these. So nums, this one, example 2, we have nums1, which is this array, and nums2, which is this array, and we see the 9 and 4 in both of these, and we have 9 and 4, and the order does not matter, so we don't have to pay attention to that. So now this is an easy problem. So let's make num set 1. Let's put them in set to make them each unique. So num set 1, and make set, and put nums1 in it. Num set 2 equals to set that nums2 and let's call this intersecting set equals to, we can do this, nums1, nums set 1, and nums set 2, or we can also do this alternatively, do nums 1, nums set 1, dot intersection, intersection, and then nums set 2. So this is alternative. This does the matter. So nums set 1 intersection, nums set 2, and so it's supposed to be 4. And so this will take numbers that are in both sets. Numbers that are in both sets, assign them to intersecting set. Return we want the list of this, list of intersection set. Let's see if the nums1 set, nums2 set, intersecting set. Okay, that should work fine, and it's been accepted. So let's submit to see if it's going to pass all cases, and it's been able to pass all cases. Time complexity of n plus n, and that should be it for space complexity too. And that's it for this problem.